Like a week into my loc journey. I did revise some on Monday, but my Losanity hair products came in. I have the Rosewater hair and facial moisturizing, and then I got the Rosewater and peppermint. So this one is like a little colored, but I'm just gonna spray my hair with the Rosewater. So it comes like sealed like this, but she also includes in the sprayers as well. It's a little long. I might have to cut this. Okay, so I cut it a little bit to fit in here. How do you unlock it? Okay, this little lever, does that unlock it? Okay, it does. Comes out a nice mist. It really does smell like flowers. Not that I think flowers smell amazing. Maybe I should have went in with the peppermint, but I have some oil that I like to put on my scalp, so just gonna lightly spray the rose water and hit these ends too, I suppose. Spray into my scalp. Okay, so that's that on that, and then you can like lock it back and it won't spray anymore. So I'm really excited for these products, and again, if you're traveling, you can use the cap instead of that one. So my new products came in. Little rose water through my hair. About to go. So this is my hair in a ponytail. The back is clearly serving more than the top. Like, so I could really just twirl this and put it in the back. The back could do its own thing, because the top be messing me up. So when I've been taking showers and baths and stuff, I usually put my hair up in something like this, or I'll just throw a shower cap on top of it down. I don't braid and band or anything while it's down. My roots, I don't know if y'all can tell, but they're already growing in. But about to hop in the shower. I really want to wash my hair this weekend, but I don't know, I don't want to mess it up. I will braid and band when I wash it though. My hair today, and I want to go over just some updates with my hair. It has been over a week since I initially installed these, but I have gone back several times, I think 3 times in total, so making some sections smaller, cleaning up my parts. Again, like, I still don't have a direct center line going all the way through my hair, which I don't think I'm gonna correct that. I just want to wash it. Okay, so I have been wearing my hair in a side part these past few days, and honestly I just braid it in a side part or whatever, lay it down, put a bonnet on. If I do a braid out, then I've been putting rods on the ends. I've been spraying my hair with this Losanity Peppermint Rosewater. I've been spraying a lot of this in it. It has water in it and has mousse from those few days that I was putting mousse in my hair, which I don't do that a lot now. But yeah, so that's what my hair is going through. The first time I counted, I had like 243 locks, and this was before I did any revisions. So I'm definitely over 250 now, and I don't even know if I counted correctly the first time. So I counted 243 the first time. Okay, so like I said, we're gonna braid and band. I don't really want it like, I'm trying to start loose in the back. Ain't that what you do? So I left it loose up in here so I can get to my scalp. A lot of people are saying the key to like your braid pattern disappearing quicker is continual washing all the time. And honestly, I was thinking, what if I brushed over my braids? I know you're not supposed to, but I would think that would create more frizz, and then the hair on the outsides can, you know, go through the little locking process and mat up and knot up and get nappy and turn into to locks. What y'all think? I'm not encouraging, let me not encourage anybody, but I'm just saying, what y'all think? I know people, they brush their mature locks to get rid of dirt and gunk and lint, but what about brushing your braid locks to help them lock faster? Is that a thing? I tried to research it, but I could not find anybody who said that, who's done that. So here we are, 8 sections, none in the middle, so I should have good access to reaching my scalp. I know. Okay, y'all, that took me all of 10 minutes. I just shampooed it twice. Again, I didn't try to do like too much, but I did rinse all the shampoo out. I used the deep cleansing shampoo by Design Essentials, and then I went in the second time with the moisturizing shampoo. So again, first wash, the oat protein and henna deep cleansing shampoo, and then for the second one, honey cream moisturizing shampoo. I did not condition, I didn't do anything besides put the moisturizing shampoo in my hair. That one lathers a lot more, but I don't think it made my hair feel dry. It feels really moisturized, to be honest. So I like using both of those. My hair feels good. I only had one braid come out of this section, so I think one right here. So it's got a tiny braid still attached to it, but it mostly just has a curl, so only that much is braided. But yeah, it's probably like probably gonna have to do more about that, but everything else stayed in there. I think there was one that was trying to come out, but it didn't. Is it this one? Yeah, I think this one, he wanted to come out, but he's still braided. I don't know. I know you're supposed to leave your hair in the braids until it dries. Like, my hair isn't dripping or anything, maybe the ends, but I'll still hold this. But I do like the curls in the back. Again, my curls in the front are so loose. That's all it's gonna do. That's it. I don't get it. It's my hair has always been like that. Like the texture has just been super weird, barely a curl in the front versus in the back where we can actually make curls. We have actual definition. So that's that on that. Probably just put a rod on them and keep it moving. But yeah, I just still have, I tried to, I don't know if y'all saw, but I was scrubbing, like causing friction through my braids. Probably not supposed to do that. I did it anyway, because again, I want my locks to look like locks. But I'm happy. My scalp feels good. My scalp feels really good. Honestly, as soon as I started putting the warm water on my scalp just tingled a little bit. I have been oiling my scalp with like a tea tree peppermint oil, and I had been using the peppermint rose waters. I don't know if that was waking that back up or what, but it felt really good to just have that water on my scalp. Again, my hair doesn't feel dry at all, even though I didn't condition. Use the moisturizing shampoo. And yeah, that's it. I am washed. I'll show you what my hair looks like tomorrow. Okay guys, so here I am. I just cut the rubber bands with the closest instrument. I found some nail clippers. So I cut all the rubber bands with that method. You know, I definitely did not want to pull them out, and I wouldn't recommend that you do it either, especially with the loose ends. So I just unraveled the braids. Of course, with the space being left at the top, that part was not curled or braided or anything, so I just took them out. My hair felt really good still, definitely still felt moisturized. I have not been experiencing any itching of my scalp since washing them, nor have I put oil in my hair. Today, when I'm recording this voice over, it's the 17th, and I have not felt the need to put any oil on my scalp. So I put the oil on my scalp on a need to do basis when I feel like I need it. So yeah, I didn't notice any braids that were coming unraveled or anything like that. I wasn't experiencing any slippage or unraveling here. So I just took out all the braids, and I'm doing this before I get in the shower because to me it's just a lot easier to go ahead and take the braids down ahead of time and kind of loosen up that braid before I get in the shower. And that's it, y'all. I love the way it came out. I do say my hair appears to have shrunken quite a bit, even with the braids being more relaxed. I have been experiencing a little bit of shrinkage now. And that's all I had. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Later.